Ever felt like your to-do list is a black hole? You throw tasks in, but they just vanish, leaving you wondering if you imagined them in the first place? Or maybe you're juggling a team, and everyone's on a different page. Communication is a mess, and deadlines are, well, let's just say, flexible. You're not alone. We've all been there. In today's chaotic world, where we're bombarded with information and projects, staying organized is less of a luxury and more of a survival skill. But how do you actually do it? How do you tame the chaos and bring some semblance of order to your work and personal life? That's where Trello comes in. You've probably heard the name, maybe even seen those colorful cards floating around. But who is Trello really good for? And more importantly, is it good for you? Let's break it down. First, let's understand what Trello is. At its core, Trello is a visual project management tool that uses a Kanban-style system. Imagine a whiteboard with sticky notes. That's essentially what Trello is, just digital and way more powerful. You create boards which are like your projects. Within those boards, you have lists which are like columns representing different stages of your project. And then you have cards which are your individual tasks. Now, who benefits from this visual organization? Well, the short answer is a lot of people. But let's get specific. 1. The solo entrepreneur/freelancer. If you're a one-person army, juggling multiple clients, projects, and deadlines, Trello can be your best friend. It allows you to visualize your entire workflow, from initial client contact to final delivery. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer. You could create a board for each client, with lists like to do, in progress, client review, and completed. Each card represents a specific task, like design logo concepts or finalize website mockups. You can attach files, set deadlines, and even add checklists within each card. This way, you can see exactly where each project stands at a glance. Trello's flexibility allows you to customize it to your specific needs. You can create boards for personal projects, like planning a trip or organizing your home. You can even use it for content creation, brainstorming ideas, and managing your social media schedule. The possibilities are endless. 2. The small team/startup. Collaboration is crucial for any team, especially in a fast-paced startup environment. Trello makes it easy for teams to stay on the same page, track progress, and communicate effectively. You can assign cards to team members, add comments, and even tag people to get their attention. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and keeps everyone informed. For example, a marketing team could use Trello to manage their content calendar. They could have lists for ideas, drafting, editing, scheduled, and published. Each card represents a blog post, social media update, or email campaign. They can assign tasks to writers, editors, and designers, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Trello's power lies in its simplicity. It's easy to learn and use, which means your team can get up and running quickly. 3. The project manager. Project managers are the conductors of the orchestra, ensuring everything runs smoothly and everyone hits their deadlines. Trello provides a visual overview of the entire project, allowing project managers to identify bottlenecks, track progress, and manage resources effectively. You can use Trello to create detailed project plans, assign tasks, and monitor progress in real time. You can also use it to manage dependencies, track risks, and communicate with stakeholders. For example, a construction project manager could use Trello to manage the different phases of a project, from planning and design to construction and completion. They could create lists for site preparation, foundation, framing, and finishing. Each card represents a specific task, like order materials or schedule inspections. Trello's reporting features allow you to track progress and identify potential issues before they become major problems. 4. The student/researcher. Students and researchers often have to manage multiple projects, assignments, and deadlines. Trello can help them stay organized and on top of their workload. You can use Trello to create study schedules, manage research projects, and collaborate with classmates. You can even use it to organize your notes, track your reading list, and plan your thesis. For example, a student could use Trello to manage their research project. They could create lists for literature review, data collection, analysis, and writing. Each card represents a specific task, like find relevant articles or conduct interviews. Trello's flexibility allows you to customize it to your specific needs. You can add checklists, attachments, and deadlines to each card, ensuring you don't miss any important details. 5. The personal organizer/life hacker. Trello isn't just for work. It can also be a powerful tool for personal organization and life hacking. You can use Trello to plan your meals, track your fitness goals, manage your household chores, and even plan your vacations. For example, you could create a board for your weekly meal plan with lists for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Each card represents a meal, and you can add ingredients, recipes, and even shopping lists. You could also use Trello to create a habit tracker, with lists for each day of the week and cards for each habit you want to track. Trello's flexibility allows you to customize it to your specific needs. You can create boards for anything you want to organize. But here's the key: Trello is effective because it's visual. We process visual information faster and more efficiently than text. Seeing your tasks laid out in a clear, organized way helps you stay focused and motivated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.